Alright, the latest complete Unisaw, 1948. A lot of work that needed to be done on this one, but it came out pretty nice. Did a two-tone scheme again with the light gray in the hand wheels and dark gray everywhere else. I did have to fabricate some locking knobs here. The originals were missing. And this from 1948, they had the shorter style where these were short and flat, and then they pushed the wedge keys to lock the hand wheel that way. So those I think look pretty good. They go well with the design. It's got a manual starter, Allen Bradley, for 2 horsepower. It's got a jet lock fence, and when nicely waxed and smooth, these turn out pretty good. As I've been doing with most of my Unisaws, if they need a new motor, I go with a Leeson 2 horsepower. In this case, the cabinet was already cut, and I tried to clean up the opening from the sort of messy cut that the previous owner had done. They cut out more than they would have needed to, and I just tried to clean it up and make it look straight. But with these oval openings, I've figured out that you can get away with really just removing a little bit of material here and still having most of the oval. But in this case, it was already cut, so I just tried to straighten it out. But besides that, this one went together pretty well. And so we've got another one all done.